I really apologize for my voice, but I want to make sure this video goes out real time so that you guys can see what's going on. But it's official. I do have an ear infection, and I do have some swollen glands in my throat, even though it doesn't feel like I have a sore throat. So my doctor has prescribed antibiotics. So I'll be on antibiotics for the next 10 days. What I find interesting, and this is how God works, right? All roads led back into the doctor's office. All roads led right back to the place where they didn't have answers. But this time around, they couldn't see anything during those times I was going, but this time around they saw it. Good morning, guys. I wanted to give you guys a quick update. I feel good. My body feels happy. If there was a body that could meme happiness right now, I can literally see my red blood cells and white blood cells clapping. That's how it feels. I slept good. We take certain things for granted. Sleep. I've taken my sleep for granted. And this time around, all I could feel was gratitude. Gratitude to God, gratitude to Jesus, gratitude to my doctors. Just thankful. And I wanted to record this so that I can remember it. Clearly, the antibiotics have kicked in and giving the body the support it needs. So science and nature together can work together. It's just a matter of figuring out how to combine the two. So just woke up, grabbed me some Trader Joe's coconut water real fast, took my supplements, and I'm gonna lay down. Today's sleeping day. Today is going to be a lazy day. I don't know, I was about to mix up Bruno Mars songs there. Oh yeah, today I don't feel like doing anything. That's pretty much it. Today I don't feel like doing anything. That's exactly what my day is gonna be. We're sleeping in today. But I wanted to give you guys a quick update. It looks like I'm on that healing journey. Grateful. So hope all is well with you guys, and as always, breathe life into each other. We'll talk soon. And that is the end of the video, guys. I really do appreciate you guys sticking to the very end of the video. The goal of these videos is to be as informative and as transparent as possible. Please be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon to be notified when I post new videos. If you are interested in any of the recipes that I have going on, please do check out my website. Also follow me on my social media because I do post most of my day-to-day meals there as well. I'm hoping, once again, this is going to be informational for you guys, and your body is your temple. So how you take care of it is how it will manifest and actually produce for you. So keep strong, keep healthy, and as always, stay blessed. We will see you on the next video.